Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to do a straddle leap. Start by warming up joints and muscles thoroughly, then practice hip flexibility and core strength drills, followed by targeted plyometrics. Focus on controlled takeoff, wide leg split at peak, and soft landing with bent knees. Use mirrors or video to self-correct, and progress gradually to full height while tracking consistency and comfort through each practice session. Begin with a dynamic warm-up that targets hips, hamstrings, and calves to improve range of motion and reduce injury risk. Incorporate active mobility work like leg swings, lunges, and spinal rotations to prepare the body for explosive movement. Spend extra time on glute activation and core engagement so you can control the leap and maintain posture. Warm muscles will help you achieve a cleaner, safer straddle leap during practice and progression. Work technique through progressive drills, run-up rhythm, single-leg takeoffs, and seated straddle holds to build the split at peak height. Add plyometrics like tuck jumps and split jump repetitions to develop power and timing for a clean takeoff. Always rehearse soft landings by absorbing force through hips and knees and maintaining chest-up posture. Record short clips to track form improvements and isolate small corrections between sessions for steady skill gains.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.